Greetings and welcome to BK Beacon Skin Graphic Design Tech. So today we are going to look at a very critical and important aspect of graphic designing. So we're going to look at creating custom shapes in Pixelab. So you're going to open your Pixelab alongside with me. So at this level, we are going to click on the polygon icon. After click on the polygon icon, click on the grid. On the grid, take shapes. Okay, just make sure your shape fill this. Just fill this alignment. Then you're going to increase the ranges to 50, just to 50, then scroll down to fill color. You're going to give it a dark color or a black color. Take a tick and take a copy of this. You're going to go to edit. You're going to reduce the ranges now to 0. Then scroll to fill color. You're going to give it a color. You give it this color or any color of your choice. Okay, so take a tick. You try to position this. If you find any difficulties, you can zoom. You can zoom to see if your position is okay. Exactly, so this is okay now. So bring it back. Then we are going to take a tick and we are going to send this to the back. Then we take a copy of the fresh shape that we made. Then we go to edit. That's edit here. We are going to reduce the opacity from 100 to 0. Then go to stroke color. We're going to give a stroke color of white or any color of your choice. Give it a stroke color of white and increase the stroke width. Let's say 2. Yes, 3 is okay. We'll take a tick. Make sure you adjust this well. Yes. So you can have a zoom to see if it's well aligned. It's well aligned. Yes, this is okay. So now the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to merge the first two images here. We merge the first two, the transparent image and the dark image. So we merge the two. Now after merging the two, the next thing is we're going to click on the double rectangle or triangles or squares. Then the next thing is that we are going to lock what we meshed. Okay, so lock it and we click on an empty background. Then I'll click on this particular shape that we didn't lock, the shape that we haven't locked. We click on it. Then I'm going to mask, right? For masking effect, principal masking, we take enable. Then I scroll down. You're going to take movement, right? Bring a little bit up or around this level. They take you enable a stretcher to this level. Exactly. Then we take a tick. The next thing that we have to do is we're going to merge the two of these. Click OK. Now you go to color, click on it and go to color. You give it a color of your choice. Give it a color of your choice. Yes, they just align to this color. Now take a tick. Take a tick. We see move to erase color. We enable the erase color. We are going to increase the tolerance to just to 47. Now take a tick of this. Okay. So after taking a tick of this, the next thing is that we are going to click on shapes again. We're going to give it a color. one of your color, into the color. Next, we're going to merge the two. Yes, good. So after meshing the two now, we have already created a custom shape. Okay, this is already custom shape that we have created. So we can go further to take a copy. You can have a crop of this. You should take copy, take a crop. This time around, we'll bring it up. Let's take a copy of this. Okay, now take a crop, take a tick. You're going to enlarge this. Then finally, we take a crop of this, a copy, I take a crop, let's take a crop of this one. Literally see the same thing. So these are different custom shapes that you can create right in your Pixelab, and you can go further as doing importations. You can decide to import the different shapes. Yes, I can decide to just let's see. This first of all. So now you can go to your free color or to your present, or you give it a color of your choice, just like that, just like that. So this is already a custom shape or custom shapes that we have already created, and without withstanding, without withstanding, we're going to apply another principle here to get another type of shape. So we're going to go to perspective. Okay, apply perspective law. Okay, our perspective, we're going to kind of spread this. We can enable it. Can you go take again another copy? We should go to perspective. Okay, before taking perspective, let's bring here perspective. Either you can, yeah, you can still rotate it this way, or you can still rotate it again this way, depending on you. Just like that, just like that. Okay. So this is a variety of custom shapes that you can be able to come across them. Let's take a copy of it, still work on that, and so more. Yes, it. So with this, we can be able to go back to our color of the background color, give it a color of choice. Yes. So we can be able to, yes, let's apply texture here. So you're going to apply texture. So the first thing that you should know is that the aspect of custom shape is very, very important. This is very, very important as far as graphic design is being concerned. So I'll just take random image from here. Okay, just take a random image, not even here. Let's take, yes, we are going to give it this image. Yes, so the first thing is that before you have to import your image or to, into a shape, there's insertion. You should take into consideration the dimension of your image, right? If I have to insert it into the first image that I'm working on, this will not really go to be very poor. So I need to get something that is really unique. Okay, so from here I will kind of mark this to this position. Try to make sure that the alignment, everything's okay. So you're going to increase this. Yes, I think this is okay. This is okay. You take a tick. Then the next is that we're going to enable this. Yes, so this is already good. It's very good. You can see this side to increase it a little bit, or you can align it to this dimension. So the two things that we have even cited here is a level of you being able to know the dimension of your image before you have to insert it into your shapes. You understand, right? So you calculate it well. Maybe it was this one and you have to kind of insert it here. Yes, basically this should be the last one that we have to do. So it's kind of a joint class. Yes, because I would have told this particular aspect on a different class, but I prefer or decide that it should be proper is that we are going to merge that the two classes. So now for this image, with respect to the dimension of what we had, that was a square. So you're going to look for the dimension of a square, right? Like 1 on 1. Yes, so we can reduce the size. Okay. So we can reduce this size and take an element. Then take this, can increase scale to 1, and so on. So thank you and stay tuned to my channel and make sure that you partake in every class and hoping to see you submit your assignment. Stay tuned to BK Graphic Design.